This was the one that I had a issue with the differential gearbox making extremely loud noise. I'll start it up, give you guys a listen. You guys hear that? Okay, shut that one off too. So that's the differential gearbox. I've taken it apart and checked it already a while back. I believe it was still summertime. And I have to pretty much valve this off so we have no water in there. And see how we're gonna bring that guy down. Let's take it for repairs. Alright. But anyway, this is what's making the noise. This is the guy that we need to take down. But I have to disconnect this whole propeller, the blade. I'll check it. You just unscrew it. And there's another one on this side. Slide it back. Watch your head, alright? Because I'm spinning this. Okay, now you won't spin. You shouldn't spin. Oh, this is rusted, dude. I don't know how this is gonna come off, but
force, brute force.
Yeah, but force being on top of this damn tower. So, force Morse. Well, I'm on top of the tower. Yeah, something's going on in there. I don't know what it is, but I hear it when you hear that? It's inside here. Yeah. So all I did was just add this cheater pipe here, and I got it loose. And that's it. I'm gonna open this guy up. Stainless steel. They're definitely stainless steel because otherwise it'll rot out from the moisture and shit. I went to college, Sidewalk University. I majored in pharmaceuticals. SWU, the University of the Sidewalk.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir.
Playing sports?
No, I was a chemist.
Yeah.
You know. I grew different type of plants.
Urban chemologist.
I was an urban chemologist.
You're a Russian astronaut?
I was a Russian astronaut. All right, ready?
No.
Something happened in there. You know what's funny? I replaced this oil about 3 years ago. It's supposed to be replaced every 5 years.
Taste it.
But this is not good. Look at that. I just felt like metal shavings in there. Definitely is, I gotta push this damn thing off, this propeller, off this damn hub. I'll figure it out. Huh? Should come out more now that I'm opening it.
It might be done.
Might be done. Yeah.
Blowing it.
Wow, this shit is, look at that, man. Yeah, there's like metal shavings in there. Well, I just changed the oil here 3 years ago. It wasn't like that. Gotta go up the tower. Grab this. Where you at?
What's the point of working on top of a roof in Manhattan if you can't enjoy the view?
Yeah, but you're not here to enjoy the view. You're here to work. All right?
All right. An asterisk next to it.
Open that up. Listen, did I give you a ratchet?
No.
I just brought it in there. Where is it? Right there.
Oh,
Grab the 916 and you take off whatever you could by hand. I'm gonna go around.
On the other side too. They ain't that thick.
Yeah, listen. We can probably just take off this and we can use this as the, what's his name? The chain fall. We can definitely use that.
Yeah, that fan ain't that heavy.
We'll figure it out. Let's take it off first.
See, this is when I should have my own fucking my gun.
Here, take one of these. Don't you need to back it up? I'm bringing it the wrong way. Hey, if you want to bring your gun, bring it.
For shit like this, you know? The second I start bringing shit in is when they're gonna send me to an infant truck.
Yeah, that's how it is. Ooh, he's about to fall. Flip it this way. Okay.
Take it into me.
Alright. Pick it up or something, I don't know. We'll do it this way. Just for now, temporarily. Oh shit. Lift it, lift it, lift it. Okay. Olivia, we're gonna have to put it back to bolt it on one for now when we finish. Okay, so the next thing to do is
there's a piece of wood down there. We can throw it across and we can work over it.
yeah, we can do that.
You want me to go get it?
Yeah, we have to do from the bottom. Also, we have to bring up the rest of the.
Oh, yeah, like right now, so look at that better, closer.
Yeah, go get it.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Oh, how you doing? Good.
All right, guys. I should be wearing a harness, but I don't know if this wood ain't not gonna break. So I gotta get this propeller off. I think this wood is pretty strong, Jim. What do you think?
I think it's strong enough. I wouldn't jump on it.